In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink TikTok seller account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disconnect TikTok Shop from your TikTok account by removing its permissions, which is helpful if you've changed stores, are troubleshooting, or simply want to tighten your account security. Start by opening the TikTok app and making sure you're on the account you want to manage. From the home screen, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. This takes you to your account page, where we'll access the app's main menu. In the top right corner, tap the three lines icon. This opens the menu that houses your account and privacy controls. From here, choose Settings. If you see Settings and Privacy together, that's fine. Go into that area. Next, go to Security. This is where TikTok keeps tools related to login safety, verification, and app connections. Inside Security, look for Manage App Permissions. This section lists any external apps or services that you've allowed to connect to your TikTok account. Think of it like a control panel for integrations. If an app has access here, it can interact with parts of your account until you revoke that access. Find TikTok Shop in the list and select it. You're now viewing the connection between your TikTok account and the shop integration. To unlink, choose Remove All Access. Confirm when prompted. This action revokes the permissions TikTok Shop had on your account and effectively unlinks the seller connection. It doesn't delete your stored data, it simply disconnects the shop integration from this TikTok account. If you ever need to reconnect later, you can reauthorize it from the relevant shop flow and grant permissions again. A few quick tips as you do this. If TikTok Shop doesn't appear under Manage App Permissions, it usually means that this specific TikTok account isn't currently linked to a shop, or the connection was already removed. Double check you're on the right account if you manage more than one. If menu labels look slightly different, don't worry. App wording can vary by region or version. You're looking for the security area and the list of authorized apps. Once you remove access, give it a moment to refresh. You should no longer see TikTok Shop listed under permissions. That's your confirmation that the unlinking worked and your TikTok account is no longer connected to the seller integration. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your TikTok seller account by removing its access through app permissions.